Tevera is an edtech software company serving students in higher education. We pride ourselves on serving those who serve others. So we help them track their time and track their documentation. That's really key for their licensure. And we help the programs track the programmatic outcomes, which help them receive accreditation and ensure that they're providing really high quality education for their students. So we're really proud of the impact we have on the world by helping these helpers. So we were facing the challenge of our members not having a lot of accessibility and visibility into the tasks that they need to complete in order to successfully implement our tool. We did have another task management tool, but they just had a hard time understanding their priorities and the stages and the key objectives that they needed to complete. And so we had projects going off track or finishing projects, but with some of the key objectives unfulfilled. So that was creating work down the road for both our team and their teams, and just not resulting in an efficient deployment of the onboarding process. The biggest concern that we had was just that the user interface wasn't nearly as user-friendly as Rocketlane, and so our members felt more of a chore to go in there and figure out what they were supposed to be doing. And then on top of that, we were asking them to go into our product and do work. And so it felt just all of it like more work. In Rocketlane is less stressful, provides less friction, and so that they can focus more on what we're asking them to do in our product so that they can succeed there, because that's really where they need to be for the duration of their relationship with us. There are a few features in Rocketlane that we didn't have in our previous tool. So like the status updates are fantastic. It's really helpful just for us to be able to send a quick digest to the key champions that we're working with to show them how the project is progressing and where their key priorities are next. Takes a lot of the task management and project management weight off the shoulders of my team, or at least makes that experience more streamlined, which has been great. We're also really enjoying the use of shared spaces. So being able to collaborate in documents in Rocketlane with our members, especially creating success plans and project plans in the tool. That's been really helpful for our team to keep everything straight, and then for our members to, again, kind of have that visibility into the plan. My boss actually heard about Rocketlane about a year ago, and he's been a member of the pre-flight community and just kind of keeping track of your growth, and saw that Rocketlane was making some really exciting moves. And so we had a demo this past fall, and we were just really impressed by what we saw. So it didn't take long between the demo and actually signing the contract and implementing the tool. So before using Rocketlane, we were experiencing a lot of friction with our members just not enjoying the project management tool. And that was actually detracting from their experience of onboarding with us. And at times taking momentum away from the project. So since using Rocketlane, it's been a much more streamlined experience for our members. So that's resulted in projects closing on time with our key objectives met at a much higher rate. So it's been a really positive experience for my team and our members. Before using Rocketlane, we had about 30% of our projects go beyond the projected timeline, and that number has gone down to about 10%. So we're getting closer to meeting our timelines, and really appreciate Rocketlane's help with that. In the last quarter, our CSAT score has improved by 10% in onboarding. Working with the team at Rocketlane has been fantastic. All of the enhancement requests that we've put in have been heard and taken very seriously, and we've seen the team actually take action on a few of them. Beyond that, whenever I have a question just about usability or functionality, the support team has been very helpful to me. And then there have been kind of those in-between requests where I'm wondering how something works, and they've not only helped me see that, but they've also gone the extra mile to say, would you like it to work in another way? So they're really engaging with me to understand what I need from the tool and make my experience in the tool successful. So I've been really impressed.